In this video, I want to talk about pricing your Kindle books.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So this is the inside of my Kindle book pricing dashboard for one of the books. And what you see is you can set the price to 99 cents to $200 for your Kindle book. You can see right there in the small print. The problem is that for 99-cent pricing, you only keep 35% of the revenue. So if you sell something for 99 cents, you're really just keeping like 35 cents. So it's nearly impossible to make any real kind of money there. So the 99-cent Kindle books, the reason to set price for 99 cents is only to boost initial sales, to get some readers, to get some initial activity. This is essentially a promotional price or a price if your book is really struggling. Ultimately, you want to get to the 70% rate, which you see, book must be at least $2.99. So most Kindle books will be priced at $2.99, and there you go. The top end is the $9.99. Now, here's the thing that happens. If it's for $9.99 books, I consider it to be really high quality premium ones. If you go $2.99, $3.99, $4.99, those are basic prices. Across the board, we keep 70%. So essentially the 70% is an essentially industry standard revenue breakdown. So that's not bad. And depending on the length of and quality of your book, that's where you should figure out, is it $2.99, $3.99? If it's just launch, maybe stay with $2.99. If you feel like the book is good, if it's maybe over 60, over 70 pages, I'd go increasing the price. Over 100 pages, I'd go $3.99, $4.99. And if it's a legitimate size book and you've had maybe a few revisions, or you feel like the quality is really there, it's not just a book that you're trying to make a buck from, but it's really a good book that you feel, then you can go, above $4.99, and that which is the $5.99, $6.99 range. But at that point, you must feel that the book is quite a good book because you're pricing it at the high end range of their suggestion. So that's essentially it. The other thing I want to show you is you have other countries, other marketplaces in your selection. And so whatever your price might be, like let's say it's $2.99, they're going to adjust the price here, you see. And what's going to happen is some of them, 94, they see that 194, you want to put like a 9. So you want to make the pricing a little more professional, maybe like, I don't know if they're going to allow $1.99 here because it's a minimum range. They do. See, it looks just more. It just looks better. Some of them will be preset, like you see, but here at $3.17, we'll set that to like $2.99. Sorry, you'll make a bit more sales at $2.99 because the price perception will be better. And the $9.60, I changed that to $9.99, and the Canadian dollars, I would change that to $3.99, just because sometimes if you can get away with it, the price perception is just about the same. $3.99, $3.85. A price like this probably would sell better at $55.99. So you can go through them and optimize them for sales with this smart kind of pricing, so that people will buy more of them. And the price is essentially the same. It's just pennies difference, but you'll just get more sales. So that's essentially how to price Kindle books. And that's it.